class, small class, and I want to applaud you for the work you're doing. The final assignment, I wanted a rough draft tonight so you all could do a critique on each other and then give it back to you by Wednesday. But remember, this week is the end of the semester, so everything is due by Friday, right? Not Sunday. And so this is a memo simply asking for some money, right? And you want to hire 3 new workers, so you want to go step by step here, but also click on chapter 13, and that will bring you into the text, and you can look at an actual proposal and things like that. And this idea of being very persuasive, but yet being very short in your wording, and really knowing what you want, really can go a long way, right? So I want you to take a look at this. It's going to be a page even of voting, but very specific. You're asking for money to hire new workers, right? The exam will open, and I know one of you emailed me about it. The exam is just a reflective in your best writing about it. So make sure you do it in your best writing, but it's not something you have to memorize. You go over, use specifics from the class itself when discussing sort of a reflective essay that counts as an exam. So the schedule this week, obviously, is everything's due Friday. And if you wanted to make up any of the assignments, that's Friday too. But here's the schedule, right? And what's not in there is the assignment. I'll put that in there. But the class ends, all you writes are due. And so your peer correction will be due on Wednesdays too. Okay. Good luck. Stop in the office hour on Tuesday if you want to. And it's been a quick semester, but you've hung in there. Congratulations.